Hello friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. Okay, so guys, I am going to start two major big things. One is OCF complete series, guys, exactly like paid course, Once in a year, every year, guys, one subject I taught free, either in YouTube or app, exactly like paid course. So this time it will be open channel flow. It will be on app at 3:30 p.m. from tomorrow. And the second one you have seen is this. Okay, the complete highway engineering marathon, guys. That will be this Sunday at 10 a.m. Sunday 10 a.m. guys. Complete highway marathon. Okay, now coming back to this, guys. Here I'll be taking some questions of HPCL. Okay, and guys, if you score more than 70% of the cutoff for today's session, if you score more than 70%, then your preparation is in the right direction. Now, guys, one more thing I would like to tell you here, that my friends, whenever I'm taking the gate sessions, okay, the gate practice sessions, then the questions will be, of course, of gate level. Here I'm taking the question of HPCL. And in HPCL, guys, in every 1 minute, you have to solve actually more than one question. Of course, the question level will be much easier than the gate. So, of course, the questions I have taken here will according to the HPCL level only. Okay. Now, guys, this is about me, but it is not coming exam. Okay, guys, now moving forward, this is the highway engineering marathon that I'll be taking on. This will be on YouTube. Okay, this highway engineering marathon will be on YouTube, and that next one, that OCF will be on app. Okay, now this will be on app, guys. Complete, all things are there. Okay, I guess this is very heavy, that is why it is not moving. Let me delete these two heavy videos. Okay, after deleting these two heavy videos, I guess then this will not be too large file, otherwise it will be hanging a bit. I guess now, otherwise we have another option also. I can convert this in PDF. Okay, now this is the complete OCF, guys. Every chapter will be done exactly like paid course. Exactly means exactly same assignments, just from zero level that you have never ever studied OCF. So this will be complete. This will be on app. Okay, now moving forward to the HPCL. Where is the HPCL, guys? Okay, so let me just, before telling you the mock test, let me tell you that number of vacancies for civil is 18. And this is the updated pattern of HPCL. Okay, now, guys, earlier there is no negative marking, but from this time, okay, this is from this time only. Previous years, there is no negative marking for HPCL. The total number of questions for civil will be 85, reasoning will be 34, numeric aptitude will be 34, and English will be 17. Of course, right now the mock test will be of this, and 70% if you are able to solve the questions, it is fine. Now, guys, the HPCL pattern for all the students who have filled this time or those who are going to appear in the HPCL in coming years, let me tell you. First, there is a computer-based test. Okay, the minimum qualifying marks is 50% and 60% depending upon your category. Then there is guys, after the computer-based test, there is a group task. Okay, and after the group task, you will be having a personal interview. And then the final scoring will be done. And the minimum qualifying marks for the final scoring will be 54%. Okay. Now, guys, let's go to the question, guys. Here are the questions, and I'm again telling you the questions will be, of course, okay, again it is hanging. Let me do that thing that I told you. Now, I have another thing also. File, save as, in this PC only, okay. Let us save on desktop, okay. This is HHPPCCLL. Okay, this is PDF, PowerPoint to PDF. Okay, save. Okay, let me convert this in note, otherwise this is a little bit hanging. Okay, how are you, Atulya, PK, everyone, guys? Okay, I hope everyone is fine, doing fantastic. Okay, just in 60 seconds we will be completing this process. Okay, now going here in the note, Just give me 30 seconds, and guys, be ready with your copy and pen. Be ready with your copy and pen, guys. Okay, now इसमें क्या करते थे, यहाँ जाते थे, import करते थे. Okay, import करने के बाद अगर हम desktop पे जाएं, and I just saved HPCL something like this, ना? Yeah, this one. Okay, in note I guess we can put some timer as well. Okay, now here no time will be wasted. Now yes, ये नहीं चलता है इसमें. Okay, leave. चलो करो, come on. चलो बता दो फटाफट से. Out of the which is least elastic? Which is least elastic? Which is least elastic? Come on. Guys, least elastic, can you, इसमें टाइमर भी आता है ना यार कुछ, इसमें कहाँ होता है टाइमर? क्लॉक 30 सेकेंड्स में बता. इससे तो कुछ होगा क्या? इसमें क्या है? इसमें तो कुछ नहीं है. टाइमर होता है क्या इसमें भाई, बता दो. हाँ ये रहा. अबे अच्छा. Just wait here. Guys, this is a matter of just one question. After that, इतनी देर में तो तुम बता भी दोगे जितने में सब नाटक चल रहा है. Why it is not moving somewhere else? अच्छा चलो बेकार है, हटाओ. Okay, rubber. Okay, guys, let me tell you the concept here. Elasticity is proportional to Young's modulus. Okay, if more is the Young's modulus, then it is more elastic, and here rubber is least Young's modulus. And also, guys, elasticity is proportional to 1 by strain for a given stress. For a given stress, which suppose I apply same amount of stress, 2 kilopascal. Suppose I apply a same amount of stress, 2 kilopascal. In that 2 kilopascal, which is having least strain, suppose I am testing 4 materials. In that same stress, 2 kilopascal, which will be having least strain, that will be more elastic. Okay, so elasticity is proportional to 1 by strain, or it is Young's modulus. More is the Young's modulus, more is strain. Rubber is not elastic. What is the physical meaning of elasticity? That when we stress, it comes back to its original position. Okay, not deformed permanently. That is the elasticity. Now question number 2. Yes, the strain energy stored in a body due to external loading within elastic limit. What is the strain energy? Suppose I am drawing the mild steel stress strain graph. This is the stress, this is the strain, and suppose I am drawing the mild steel stress strain graph. Okay, now suppose the graph is something like this, and this is suppose elastic limit. This is suppose, so what is this area? This area is called modulus of resilience or resilience. What is the significance of this? What is the significance of this? Please tell me. Okay, the area under the stress strain graph is also strain energy per unit volume, and area of P delta curve is strain energy. What is please see my video on that. I have explained that, derived that. Okay, tell me. ISRO exam has been postponed. The students who don't know, tell now. Significance is this is utilized in the shockers. Okay, shockers of bikes and car. Okay, if I want to make a bike or a car shocker, if I want to make a bike and a car shocker, then I'll be using that material. Then I'll be using that material which is more resilient, means which has more area. Okay, which has more area up to the elastic limit in stress strain curve, that can absorb more energy when the bike and car goes on the shocker. Now, इससे तो ये तो चलेगा ही नहीं, इसको हटाओ यार. Question number 3. The area under the total. Now I am asking, see, this is suppose mild steel. Area under the stress strain curve total. This total area, A1. What is this? Similarly, I can draw this for cast iron also. Suppose I am drawing here for cast iron. For cast iron, it is something like this. This is A2. Okay. Chalo. Everyone, please let me know your answers. Guys, the area under the stress, total stress strain curve represent total up to the fracture. That represents the toughness of the material. Up to elastic limit is resilience, and up to total is toughness. Now, what it means, what is the significance? Significance of that I told you. Resilience significance, it is used in bike and car shockers. Now, what is the significance here? The material which has more area up to fracture can absorb more energy. Okay, can absorb more energy up to the fracture. The material can absorb more energy. Suppose here A1 is greater than A2. So why suppose it? You can see from the figure. A1 is greater than A2. Cast iron is very brittle. It fails with very less x-axis. This area is very small. So therefore, which is tougher? Mild steel is more tougher. What is the significance? Is more tougher than cast iron. Then cast iron. What is the significance? What is the significance? That if I make a smart board of mild steel, then it can absorb more energy. It can absorb more energy before fracture. Okay, if I make it cast iron, then with less energy it can fail. Okay. Question number 4. Yes. Everybody on the comment section, guys. Everybody on the comment section. Come on, everyone. Hit the questions, guys. Hit the questions. Hit them hard. Hit them hard, guys. Come on. Everybody, let me tell you, guys. Sunday 10 a.m. the complete highway engineering marathon. The complete highway engineering marathon. Sunday 10 a.m. Okay. And from 14th, that is day after tomorrow, I'm telling you, teaching the complete OCF for free. Complete means exactly. Exactly means not 99.9. Exactly 100% like paid course. Okay. Free of cost. It will be on app daily 3:30. Okay. ISRO has been postponed, and most probably, guys, exam of course will not be in the month of February, because first weekend, second weekend, third weekend is occupied by GATE and ESE, and there are very less chances that it is occurring in the month of January. Okay, if it occurs in January, it's fine. Okay, the extension of material, guys, what happens? Suppose this is a bar. This bar I applied a P load. Then after application of P load, it will elongate. It will elongate by delta amount. Delta is PL by A. Okay. But after 2 years, okay, this delta will be increased. That increase in delta. Okay, why this is increase in delta after 2 years? After 2 years, it will be increased little bit. Okay, after 2 years, this will be increased little bit. It will be delta plus this small delta. Why it is increased? Because it is P load is पे लगा हुआ था. Okay. So material is little bit, the stress, the intensity to resist against load has been decreased, because after a long time, the load is occurring. Okay, so ability of the material to resist stress is decreased. That is called relaxation. Okay, it is not having that much load to carry the same P load. The resistance is not that much. The stress is called resistance. That stress is released. That released in stress is called relaxation. And since it is not having that much inertia, that much stress to take the load, this is a little bit stressed. And that little bit stressed is called as creeping. That little bit stressed is called creeping. Guys, every one of you know creeping. Have you understood the reason today? Have you understood the reason today? The reason is Because the stress is decreased, the resistance to deformation against load is decreased. That decrease is called as relaxation. Okay. Now, question number 5. The stress at which extension of material takes place more quickly as compared to increase in load is called as yielding point. Guys, plastic is not a point. This is not a point. This is a region. Plastic is a region. Okay, the answer is yielding point. That is a point from which for a constant stress will get more strain. Okay. More subject questions will be coming, guys. Come on. When a thin cylinder shell is subjected to internal pressure P. Okay, here is the pressure P. Here is the pressure P. Okay, in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, every direction there is a pressure P. The P is in every direction. Now guys, if you want to see that what is hoop stress, what is longitudinal stress, let me tell you, इसमें तो drawing भी बनती है ना कुछ. If I cut it from here, okay, if I cut it from here and after cutting, this will be looking like something like this. Okay, let me take a very small member here. So here there is a pressure acting. This is called hoop stress, also called as circumferential stress or microenvironmental stress, and this is sigma L. Okay, now sigma H is responsible for change in diameter and sigma L is responsible for change in length. Okay, even you can say that hoop strain is delta D by D and longitudinal strain is change in length upon L. When there is internal pressure, guys, if in this bottle there is internal pressure, if in this bottle there is internal pressure, the length will also increase, diameter will also increase. Guys, in my cheeks, if there is internal pressure, diameter is also increasing, length is also increasing. Okay, so decrease in diameter and length, no. Increase in diameter, decrease in length, no. Decrease in, no. In both it will increase. Both increase, guys. Both D and L increase. Give me a sano, everybody. Come on. Come on, guys. Are you coming on Sunday? 10 a.m. Sunday morning, 10 a.m. in YouTube only. The highway marathon. The highway marathon, guys. Sunday, 10 a.m. And guys, from 14, that is day after tomorrow. I guess it is Thursday. Braspatiwar. There will be OCF. Complete OCF, guys, free of cost. Every year, one subject I teach free. So this time OCF, and it will be on app 3:30. So highways. Sunday will be the highway marathon and from day after tomorrow it will be OCF. Okay. Do this one. Engineering mechanics now. Not so. Not so. It is engineering mechanics. Now what is happening? इसमें तो ये सब होता है ना यार. ये सब जुगाड़बाजी इसमें होती है ना. So this is a plate. Okay. It will be having center somewhere. So this is the center. This is the center. Okay. Now from this diameter is 6 centimeter. Diameter is 6 centimeter. From this, a circle is cut whose diameter is equal to radius of this. A circle is cut whose diameter is equal to radius of this. Like this. This is cut. This portion is cut. Okay. Now, this portion is cut. So, what is what is this portion's length? Diameter 3 centimeter. Okay. So, what is the remaining? Remaining area is this one. Because that part is cut. Now what is asked? The distance of center of gravity of remaining area. Suppose this remaining area, center of gravity. I am very sure the center of gravity will be in this line because it is symmetrical about this. So now the new center of gravity is suppose this. It will be in this line. It will not be here. It will not be here because about this is symmetry. Okay. So what is this x bar from here? What is this x bar from the original? That is asked. Please take your calculators. Hit the question, guys. Hit the question. Hit the question, guys. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Hit it. Guys, x bar is equal to A1 x1 bar minus, because it is removed, it is not added, A2 x2 bar upon A1 minus A2. Correct? Correct, bhai? So it is A1 is this pi by 4 into d square, but center of mass from this, I am calculating from this, na, is 0 minus pi by 4 into this 3 square into center of mass of this from here. Center of mass of this from here will be how much? 1.5. Tell me. Into 1.5 upon A1 pi by 4 squeeze minus A2 pi by 4 3 square. This answer is coming how much? 0.5. Please check. This answer is coming 0.5. Have you understood the concept? Samir, no, it will not come 1.5. It will come 0.5. Please check. Please check, please check, please check. Come on. Come on. Done? Please like and share the session, guys, so that more and more commandos can join in. So that more and more. Samir, have you done? Understood your mistake? ये कहाँ गया? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. Do this. Shear center is the point through which if load passes, there is no twisting. Okay. This is a semicircular. So shear center is suppose here. So what is the distance? What is the x distance? It is 4r by pi. It is 4r by pi. For channel section, for open slit, for half circular section, you should be knowing these values. Okay, 4r by pi. Now this one regarding concrete. Regarding concrete. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Hit it. Hit it, hit it. Hit it, guys. Which of the following is true regarding the stress-strain curve of concrete? D. Straight line up to 0.002. Ankur. Arun, कैसे हो? कैसे चल रहा है M-Tech? So guys, यार, come on, यार. D you are saying. Actually, it is like this, and then straight line. So up to 0.002, it is parabolic. Then straight line up to the failure, and after 0.0035, we assume it to be failure. So C is the answer, na yaar? Ankur knows the answer, but I guess a little bit hurry he has done this. Because जिनको आएगा ना, those who know the answer, by doing it fast, they do it D. Dead load is what? The dead load comprise of. अब aspirant, guys, see, इस आदमी को पहचान लो भाई. @aspirant whose name is coming na, remember this name. Okay, he comes in every channel across the country, and he is a very intelligent student. And every time he is coming, he is saying that I am a low-level student, I am waste. Okay, I am knowing him. I'm seeing his comment across the all country in last 2 years. Ambati. Okay, dead load comprises of the permanently attached loads. Okay. Now, grade of M20. Let me make the complete table for you. Grade, mixed proportion, characteristic strength. M5, M10, M15, M20. So of course this will be 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now the proportion which is 1:5:10, 1:5:6, okay, 1:3. I'm 1:2:4, 1:1.5:3. Okay, so any question can be asked. For M20 it is 1:1.5:3. Good Abhinav, good Dinesh. Can you all please write down your cities? Can you all please write down your cities so that I can check that in BYJU'S exam prep the students are coming from which part of the countries. Until then, so the time is not wasted, let me move to the next question. Hollow bricks you have seen here somewhere, hai? While construction, where they are used? Hollow bricks. Bhiwani. Bhiwani, from where the boxers are there, Dinesh? Haryana? Vijayawada, Ongole, NIT Surat, yes, I know. Hyderabad. हैदराबाद में वो वाला गाना है ना, मियाँ भाई बिरयानी आना तो हैदराबाद खाना, सॉरी हैदराबाद आना तो बिरयानी खाना, मुंबई का लौंडा दिल्ली का, मुंबई का साना दिल्ली का लौंडा, ऐसा कुछ गाना है ना शायद. यूसुफ भाई और वो भाई पता नहीं. Okay. So guys, the hollow bricks are used for providing insulation against heat. Okay. So it is used for providing the insulation against the heat. Now, the total pressure on the vertical face of retaining wall. This is a retaining wall. Okay. The height is h. If nothing is mentioned, we'll consider it to be the level, not inclined level. Okay. What is here? Guys, I told many times that unless mentioned, we will assume active or passive. By default, we will assume active or passive. Active. Why? Guys, because once the wall, soil is here, always the wall will move away. It will not. It is not a magnet. Wall is not iron. It will not go towards the fill. By default, if nothing is mentioned, it will go away. It goes towards the fill only in the case of earthquake or wind load. So by default, it is always active whenever it is not mentioned. So what is the value here? Ka gamma h. So Ka is 1 minus sine phi, 1 plus sine phi into gamma. Gamma is written as, they are written W. Okay, and h they are written as h only. So what is the force? Pressure into area half. It is 0 at top and this much value at the bottom. WH 1 minus sine phi, 1 plus sine phi into area, h into 1. Okay, so and W is also there, W into h, h into 1 is the area. So it is WH square by 2 into K. This is same formula yaar, half K gamma h square. Don't go into the notations. This is the same half Ka gamma h square. Okay. Now this is guys Sunday. Sunday on YouTube only. Are you coming all? And this is on app. The complete OCF guys. Complete means exactly like paid course. Exactly. Same PDF, same assignment, same from zero level. Concept, neither it is total numerical class, neither it is total concept class, neither it is formula class. It is a combination of all. Concept plus numerical plus formula, everything. From 14 to 27 you have to be with me at 3:30 PM on app. Okay, chalo. Hit it. Which of the following statement is true? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Guys, always remember that in rigid footing, settlement across the width is constant and contact pressure varies, and it varies depending upon sand and clay. Whereas in flexible footing, okay, guys, and nothing is rigid in this world. Nothing is rigid in this world. Okay? Nothing is rigid. When Young's model is very high, so that strain is very less. That is assumed to be rigid. Otherwise, nothing is rigid. When Young's modulus of footing material is very high, Young's modulus is stress by strain. If Young's modulus is very high, strain is very less. It is considered to be rigid. So in flexible, guys, settlement varies and contact pressure is same. Okay? And contact pressure is same. So on which of the following is true? On an absolute rigid footing, the pressure will not be uniform. Correct. Pressure is not uniform. Contact pressure varies. Okay. On an absolute rigid foundation base, the pressure will be rigid footing base. The pressure will the edges at the for the. ये तो statement English ही wrong है इसकी तो भाई. On an absolute rigid foundation base, the pressure will be uniform. In rigid, pressure is not uniform. On an absolute rigid foundation base, the pressure will be zero at the center of the foundation. No. Okay. Sir, offer 23 free, sorry. I didn't get it. अरुण आप इंग्लिश क्या लिख रहे हो? What is the shift? Guys, what is the shift? You listen the formula. LS is equal to shift is equal to LS square by 24R. Many of you know this formula. You know 80 square, okay, upon 24 into 300. And this value is coming to be 0.89. But my question is, what is shift? What is shift? Many of you know formula, but what is shift actually? What is shift? Okay, Arun. Guys, suppose we are making a circular curve here, but now we are not making circular curve to make the passengers feel comfortable. We make a trition curve and the same circular curve, and this is adjusted in such a way. This is listen my words. This is adjusted in such a way. This is adjusted in such a way that these trition curves to this circular curves are smooth, are tangential. They are coming tangential. Okay, they are coming tangential. These green to those purple or pink, whatever you call it, color is tangential. It is here. Discontinuity should not be there. Here discontinuity should not be there. Okay, if you see this point, here discontinuity should not be coming. Okay, then it is. यार इसमें 50 तो ड्रामे हैं. Then it is, if it is not any discontinuity, okay, that distance it should be deviated, and this is called LS. This is called LS. Come to here. Which of the following are correct values of coefficient of lateral friction and longitudinal friction? Coefficient of lateral and longitudinal. Chalo. Guys, mu lateral is 0.15 and longitudinal code has not given any value. It varies 0.35 to 0.4 depending upon speed. It depends on V. Actually, code has made the table. For different V, they have given the different value of mu, but it ranges from 0.35 to 0.4. But yes, mu literal is constant. What is the name of code of highway which deals with geometric design? Tell me. What is the name of code of highway which deals with geometric design? Which deals with geometric design? IRC 73. Okay. What is the full form of IRC? Indian Road Congress. Guys, I'm again telling in fact that whenever I'm teaching for HPCL, then I'll be taking the questions of HPCL level only. When I'm taking ISRO, my questions will be ISRO level only. Okay, because in HPCL, guys, if in every single minute you have to solve more than one question. In every single minute you have to solve more than one question. Of course, the questions will be of this level or even lesser. Okay. Okay. So, guys, if you want hard questions, you can come to my gate practice sessions. Ambati coming in the OCF series and highway marathon on Sunday. Okay, guys, see, this is a two-way traffic on single lane road. Single lane is of width 3.75 and the vehicle width is also around 3 meter. Vehicle width is also around 3 meter, 3.2. So in one lane only one vehicle will be coming. So in this case, if there is no collision, so there should be, this will stop in SSD distance. This will also stop in SSD distance. So for no collision, the distance between them should be 2 SSD. For no collision, the distance between them should be 2 SSD. Correct? 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 Okay. So, the answer will be 2 SSD. So, 2 times of SSD. So, V into T. So, 60 into 5 by 18 into, unless T is given, we will take this only. This is the lag distance plus V square. 60 into 5 by 18 V square by 2 into mu. Mu is not given. For 60, how much we can take? 0.35 because distance are very far away. Values are very far away. Values are very far away. It is not any value is not very near. So we can take any value from 0.35 to 0.4 and from here C is coming. C is coming. Got it? Guys, if they will take very less value, the values will be very near, then they will get exact, they will give you the correct value of mu. They will get the correct value of mu. Okay, these readings are not nearby, so it is like this. Okay, 19th. Guys, this concept let me tell you today. Okay. Guys, rigidity factor RF is equal to, understood this concept today, you will never forget after this. You will never forget after this. See, what is rigidity factor? Everyone, please concentrate here. You will never forget after this. It is contact pressure upon tire pressure. Okay, it is contact pressure upon tire pressure. Got it? Everyone? Now, contact pressure, if tire pressure is 0.7, then rigidity factor is 1. Because contact pressure we take constant 0.7. If the tire pressure is greater than 0.7, the contact pressure we take constant 0.7. What is contact pressure? What is tire pressure? I will tell you. If it is greater than it is 0.7 now, so it is greater than 0.7, it is less than 1. If it is less than 0.7, it is 0.7. So it is less than 0.7, it is greater than 1. Now what is contact pressure? What is tire pressure? What is the significance? Let me tell you everything. See, this is our tire and this is the road. So, like right now, I am here. So my weight is suppose 85 kg. So then from ground, 85 kg reaction is coming upward. If I am putting 85 kg downward, then from ground 85 kg is acting upward. That is the contact pressure. Okay. Now, if I cut it like this, and let me make it like this. This is the road. So from here, this is the contact pressure due to the weight of vehicle, and we have filled the air inside it. So this is the tire pressure. Suppose tire pressure is less than contact pressure. Guys, your vehicle is in equilibrium, na? It is not going to the Akash, it is not going to the sky. Neither it is going to the Patal Lok. Neither it is going to the center of earth. Neither it is going to the Akash. देखो मेरे को आकाश और पताल का एग्जैक्ट इंग्लिश भी नहीं आता है. So neither it is going to sky, neither it is going to पताल लोक को मैं कह रहा हूँ, neither it is going to the center of earth. Okay, it is vertical equilibrium, our vehicle. So if tire pressure is less, so for making it equilibrium, a force should come here, na? Because what downward force is less, this upward force is more. So this is so this is on tire. This is what kind of force? Compression. So when tire pressure is less, compression will be coming. Of course, listen guys, in bicycle, when the pressure in the tire is less, it is compressed. Okay. Okay. Some my offline student is coming. Okay. Now, from here, please, are you my offline student? Because in offline that was my dialogue. Suppose now contact pressure let me make it again. This is the tire and this is like this. Okay. Suppose this is the contact pressure and suppose the tire pressure is more. Now the tire pressure is greater than the contact pressure. Okay. Now the tire pressure is greater than the contact pressure. Okay. Got it? Now the tire pressure is for making it vertically equilibrium. For making it vertically equilibrium, what to do? For making it vertically equilibrium, downward force is more, upward force is less. So force will be coming here, that is tension. Okay, so tire comes in tension. So when pressure is more, it is in tension. So that is the concept for this. Understood everybody? Please give me yes or no. Okay, do this. Do this. What is the least count? Least count is the smallest value that we can measure with the combination of main and vernier scale. That is S by N. Okay, so S is the smallest value. Main scale each division, it is given. Main scale each division is 0.1 mm. And N is the number of vernier that are matching with some divisions of main scale. Number of vernier that is matching with some division of main scale, that is 0.01. Got it? Now magnitude of correction of chain of handle links along a slope, a rise of 1 unit in N horizontal. Excellent question, guys. Excellent question. Excellent question. Slope is like this. 1 in N horizontal. So tan theta is equal to 1 by N. So cos theta, this is perpendicular, this base. So N upon hypotenuse. 1 square plus n square की power 1 by 2. Correction due to slope, the magnitude is asked na only. So L cos theta minus 1. So what is L? 100 links. Okay, 100 links. So let the length be 100 into cos theta. Cos theta is n 1 plus n square की power 1 by 2 minus 1. I can write this 100 n 1 plus n square की power 1 n square minus 1. I can write down this. I can write down this 100 into 1 plus n square by n square की power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now I can write down this 100 1 plus n square by n square is 1 upon n square की power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now we know that 1 plus minus x की power n, if x is very small, it is 1 plus minus nx, 1 plus minus nx. So from here 100, applying that formula, 1 minus nx, n is power is 1 by 2, x is 1 by n square and minus 1. So from here this one and this one cancelled. So 100 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 50 by n square. Give me yes or no. Magnitude is asked. Give me yes or no. Have you understood? Excellent question, guys. Let me be little side. Excellent. Understood? Okay. Now, guys, in such questions, if value is given near 180 degree, na, take true value is 180 degree. Okay, and you are measuring the magnetic, this is the true bearing. Magnetic bearing is 167 degree. So you are measuring less. That means it is gone east. Whenever it goes from here, guys, to meridian, any line is suppose 180. So when it is gone towards east, na, magnetic meridian, then only we are measuring less, na. Okay. Do this. The difference of fore bearing and back bearing should be 180 degree. Here the difference is 180. Here it is not 180. Here it is not 180. Here it is not 180. So A and B are correct and C or D are wrong. So most probable answer will be this. Although many times when I explained compass surveying in detail, I told you this is the most probable solution. Might be all are correct. And this may be equal to 180 because already A and B are correct and you have done the personal error or instrumental error, and that instrumental error or personal error or carelessness error is such a way that whatever the error due to local attraction, that is neglected, that is deleted, because your error is in opposite way in same magnitude. Okay, so although this is the most probable answer, although it may be that there is local attraction, even local attraction difference can be 180 degree, both deviated by same amount. Local attraction at both stations is same and same magnitude, same direction. Then also difference is 180. And might be anything. Even it is not in same magnitude, in same direction at both station, but there is some personal error, instrumental error that is neglecting, that is nullifying that error. That error is minus, personal error is positive or instrumental is positive. And maybe there is no local attraction in all stations. These errors are due to instrument defect or carelessness. So that is why I said that this is not the answer. This is the most probable answer. Okay. Tell me. Okay, in a closed traverse, guys, see, included angle na, suppose this is a clockwise traverse. In clockwise traverse, included angle is previous line to forward line in clockwise direction, previous line to forward line in clockwise direction, previous to forward in clockwise. This is the included angle. and sum here is sum of exterior angle is 2n plus 4 into 90 degree. Now suppose my traverse is like this, anti-clockwise. So include angle is previous to forward in clockwise direction, previous to forward in clockwise direction, previous to forward in clockwise direction. So here the include angle sum is interior angle sum is 2n minus 4 into 90. So include angle sum can be 2n minus 4 into 90, can be 2n plus 490, both correct. Okay, so we cannot write this. It is not always. Not always. Sum is 2n minus 4 into 90 only in case of anti-clockwise traverse. 2n minus 7 तो कभी भी नहीं होता. So the difference of forward bearing and back bearing should be 180 degree. Okay. Okay guys, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir, guys. Guys, are you coming on Sunday, the highway marathon and in OCF series? Everyone please tell me. Are you coming in OCF series? See, this is a YouTube. Please like it and mark your attendance. I am coming. You can write on the comment box, I am coming. I want to check that how many students are coming, because only on your demand I am taking highway marathon. Write on the comment box. This is the link, guys. Please like. Okay. So every link I'll be giving here also. This is the scholarship test that is on 17th December. You can give this test and get up to 90% discount. And this is the workshop by Rakesh sir. Preparing GATE 2025 with college or job. If you're also doing this, then you can attend this workshop on 13th of December at 7:30 p.m. Okay, so don't forget to join the workshop. Now, this is the marathon, guys. This will be Sunday. The marathon will be on YouTube. Guys, please like the link that I have given you. That is at 10 a.m. morning. Okay, it will go 5 hours, 6 hours, an hour until the highway is completed. And guys, this is the OCF schedule, complete OCF, exactly like paid course, exactly like paid course. This will be on app. Okay, from 14th, 3:30 p.m. guys. Don't, please put your alarm. Please put, genuinely I'm saying, please put your alarm. Complete OCF exactly, not 99.99%, 100% like paid course, 100% like paid course, guys. Zero level from I will be teaching and complete OCF, guys. Only this much class I take in the vision batches also, and same number of classes I have taken in app. 3:30 p.m. on app. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you. 23rd exam is there. 23rd is Sunday. 23rd is there, na? So Sunday is 17th, na? In 23rd, this wala, this. So this we'll check that. We'll check. We'll make it 24th. Might be in next 2-3 days it will be coming. Okay? Thank you. Thank you guys. Take care. Thank you all.